Welcome again to Project with Brian. Last week I had the opportunity of going to the Model Engineering Exhibition, and one of the demonstrations that I saw was one of those slick demonstrations that you quite often see, and you might have seen these demonstrated before. And what the guy does is he puts them up on a bar and he does some chin-ups with these holding it. I don't think I'm going to be doing that today. I don't think I was ever capable of it, and I'm certainly not capable of it today. They came as a set of four, a 4-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch and a 10-inch. And what they're meant to replace are these kind of tools. And if I just show you what my problem was with these, is you'd fit them to your screw or your bolt, you'd have to take it off and go round again. And the problem with that was it seemed every time you took it off you have to readjust the width of it. In distant days I might have used one of these. These rely on strength of holding the grip together, but I don't think you use one of these today. More often than not you see these being used. This pair is particularly useful because it slips, but its only use is in its final position there, so I don't use these anymore. You could go to a ratchet screwdriver. The problem with the ratchet screwdriver is that if I wanted it to go over that screw, it's the wrong size already. I can't fit it over that screw, it won't do anything. So that's a one size, and yet these are meant to fit all sizes. So the first one I'm going to use on this bolt here, and you can see it tightening and ratcheting round and tightening the screw up. And the advantage is that same size is covered by the next size up. So I've got at least two tools at any one time that will fit the screw head. Yeah, so I think they're pretty versatile. We've got the bigger one, and that covers the 8-inch one below. Pretty good. But what I also found and saw was the little one being used as a right-angled screwdriver on a screwdriver bit, like so. Now, I don't know about you, but if I needed a right-angled screwdriver, I bet it wouldn't be in my toolbox at the time, but the Hawks Beak actually did fit it and did do it. So I think very versatile indeed. But that's not all. The surprise in the pack, because I bought the full pack, being budget, was this boy. Now the advantage of this boy, of course, it being big, and here's a bit of scaffold pole, and it goes round the scaffold pole, like so, and you can put big piece of extension bar out there, and they're guaranteed for it, as indeed are the smaller ones. So this was the pièce de résistance. It's an 18-inch one, and I saw not too long ago somebody tried to undo a hub nut with a standard socket set and a T-bar, and it broke the socket, broke the T-bar. This would never have done that. Hey, thank you again for watching Budget with Brian. Don't forget to subscribe, but more importantly, what about your comments? And have you got suggestions that you would like to see me demonstrate for you on this channel?